Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can purchase this item or see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you want this item, add it to your cart right away and they'll ship it really fast. I think they have the 1-day shipping, so let's take a look inside. And we just got hit with a nasty snowstorm right now. Hope everyone's staying safe and staying warm. And we have here, alright, oh boy, some Mira Handcrafts. Oh, these are little tiny guys. You can do crochet like gloves for kids, for your dogs, like a coat, jacket type deal. Mira Handcrafts. Got tons of different colors. Let's cut it open. Thought it was bigger than this, but it's all good. It'll do its job. You can do your beanies, especially now in the winter time. So we got that. You can still make something out of this. Little balls. Got a large variety pack though. Got a lot of them. But I'm not the artist, so definitely check these guys out. Mira Handcrafts, Arts and Crafts. Tons of yarn. Do a lot of things with them. So there you go. Check them out, YouTubers. All the arts and crafts you need. Mira. Down and bound, and there's those colors, pinks. Got a lot of different pinks, purples, blues, green, turquoise, oranges. A little bit, whoa, they all come out now. So, like I said, this is a size. But yeah, you should be able to do like a pair of gloves, something like that. A scarf. It might take a couple of these to make it like a scarf type thing. So, like I said, Valentine's Day is coming up. Mother's Day, Christmas, stock up while you can. They got a good deals going on now. Check them out, YouTube. You guys be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.